Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya wal mursalin Sayyidina Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Amma ba'd. The first excellency for Abyanif Ida, Direktur Pesantren Berkemla Roibani Fida, and excellency for teacher Madrasah Sanawiyah Al-Quran La Roibani Fida, and excellency for my parents, my family. It's my talk. Okay, today I want to explain my mind mapping. I want to explain my mind mapping. Sneeze. Different types sneeze. As mentioned earlier, we heard them every day. You may have a friend or colleague who even an individual can variation in their sensitivity to irritants and allergens, and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC berkata, no tissue, don't panic. Okay. Etiquette sneeze for in Islam. Sneeze in Islam. Do you know Allah? Do you know Allah Azza wa Jalla? Itu like sneezing, but just like yawning. Okay. Sorry, all mistake. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.